Okay, everybody. Slow down. I can't answer the questions all right away. What's going on, everyone? It's Scott Rayleigh here, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to place an ad with the Facebook platform using Power Editor. I think you guys are going to find lots of value in this video, and the reason why I'm doing it is because there's a new product that just was released, and a lot of you are looking to get traffic to this product, get a lot of people, a lot of leads coming in, and so I've become a little Facebook guru over the last couple months. I actually started my own mastermind called the CPA Facebook Academy, and it's going quite well actually, and we're teaching CPA offers. And so I wanted to give back some value today because I know a lot of you are in Empower Network, a lot of you are in Mobe, and a couple other platforms that really the lifeblood of building the platform is getting traffic to your offer, generating a lead, and sending them to the sales video, right? Am I right? You guys with me? Traffic, lead, sales video. That's what we need, and that's what I'm going to teach you how to do, but using Facebook, which is the best platform out there. You want to get traffic, Facebook is the place. But obviously, it's very complicated when you're in the Power Editor. And I'm going to show you an ad that I'm using right now inside the Power Editor. I'm going to actually share my screen here in a second, where you're actually going to say, oh, wow, that looks pretty cool. I would like to learn how to do that. So I'm going to share my screen right here and show you what ad I'm talking about. All right, everybody. So you should be looking at my screen here, and I'm going to pull up one of my ads here. Okay, so I'm in the back office of my ads manager, right? And I'm going to show you one of the ads that I actually created. Okay, it's right here. And you can't do this type of ad unless you know how to use the Power Editor. Okay, like for example, you see this Learn More button right here, Learn More. Okay, that's a button on my ad itself, and I'm actually going to show you guys how to build this yourself. So for example, like let's say that you're scrolling down your news feed and you see this ad right here, okay? And it's a picture, but it's not a, it's really a picture, guys, but it's actually a clickable picture where you can actually click on it. You can click on it and go to my capture page. So for example, it's going to my capture page right now. Okay, very simple capture page. Now I'm targeting people that that are really into success books, like self-help books. I'm really targeting a lot of people that like Jim Rohn, Tony Robbins, Anthony Robbins, and all that stuff. So would you guys like to know how to make this? Would you guys like to know what it takes? Obviously, you need an image, you need a headline, you need a capture page, right? And then you need to know how to actually put this together in the Power Editor, okay? Like right now, let me go to my Facebook account and show you what you need to click on. So for example, guys, right here on my Facebook account, it says Ads Manager. I'm going to click on Ads Manager right there. Okay. Now, we're in the Ads Manager. Now there's also Power Editor. You guys see where it says Power Editor right here? Okay. This is a whole different beast. I mean, once you learn how to use Power Editor, you will not go back to using Ads Manager. It's just you got so many more options. You are able to do so much cooler stuff, much more fun stuff than you are able to do in the Ads Manager. So it's definitely something you guys should want to learn, and master. Just like Facebook traffic, you want to master Facebook traffic. It's definitely, there's a lot of money to be made. I'm actually here. I'll actually, show you some stuff right now. Like for example, I created a CPA mastermind I was telling you about, right? And we took applications. We're not taking everybody. It's very selective on who we choose. But I'm doing it with my friend Gianni, and Gianni has spent upwards of $40,000 to $50,000, even $60,000 on CPA masterminds, and he's making either from $3,000 to $1,000 a day just with CPA. Like right now in this mastermind, we're running an offer right now. We taught an offer where people are getting paid $15 per lead. Okay, the lead only has to register for a webinar, and you get $15. Okay, that's what CPA is, guys. CPA. It's definitely a whole different beast to tackle. You know what I mean? It's something that that if you truly want to get online money, CPA is definitely one of the biggest avenues. Gianni said that his mentor is my age, and he made over $14 million last year with CPA. So it's something that I'm excited about, and I'm going to take some of my skills that I've learned and show you how to put together an ad in the Power Editor, just because I want to give back to you guys. I want to give you some value. So what are we going to be placing today? What type of ad? Well, there's a new product that came out called the Internet Traffic Formula, I believe. I think it's called the Internet Traffic Formula. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, it's called the Internet Traffic Formula, okay? And this is a capture page that a lot of people are using right now, okay? This is one of the capture pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to put this capture page behind an ad, like the ad right here, okay? Behind an ad with a really cool image and with a really cool headline, and we're going to do this in the Power Editor. So you guys getting pretty pumped up? So this is a capture page that I'm using. You guys can use any type of capture page. You know, a lot of you maybe already know how to set up a capture page. This is one of my own personal capture pages. Basically what you're doing is you're just getting someone's email address, okay? And what I would like to, you know, give you guys some value real quick is anytime you're placing an ad, you want to know who you're targeting, okay? Who you're targeting, right? And then what you are offering. And you could be offering a free training, a PDF document, or a webinar, okay? You want to sign them up to watch a live webinar that you're hosting. So you can set up an ad and then market that ad for 1 week and get them registered for a webinar that you're actually doing, okay? So that's one of the first things, guys, is who you're targeting, okay, what's your audience, and then what are you offering. So right now what we just did is I just showed you we're going to be offering a free training, okay, on how to get traffic, right? Up to 40,000 leads, 100,000 visitors, right, in 1 day. And a lot of people are going to click on this and they're going to register, okay? They're going to give me their email. So I'm going to show you guys how to put together an ad in the Power Editor, and we're going to do it right now. Get excited, get pumped up. All right, guys. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go back to my Power Editor. Well, I'm going to go back to my Ads Manager. Then we're going to click on Power Editor. You guys see this right here? It says Power Editor. Go ahead and click on that. Okay. And you know, a lot of you might need to rewind this video, take notes. You know, some of you might have the Power Editor and it doesn't look like what you're looking at. Like, for example, my Power Editor might be a little different looking, and that's fine. You know, you just might have to play with it for a little while to finally get it going. So what I did is I'm downloading all my data. Basically, right when you guys log in, it's going to ask you to download all of your data, okay, which is, you know what I mean? So it's like, for example, up here, you click on download, okay, and then you click on upload. So anytime you create like a campaign or you create an ad, you got to upload the changes after you edit. So first you download, which is like syncing everything. You know how like you guys open up iTunes and then it syncs everything onto your phone? Well, that's basically what you're doing. You're syncing your fan page onto your Power Editor, because basically they're connecting together. You know what I mean? Like one connects to the other and the other one connects to the other. So that's why it's important to hit download, and then after you're done downloading and you have an ad together, you hit upload, okay, to basically get the changes. So first things first, guys, we need to click on over here where it says campaign. Okay, we're going to set up a campaign right here. So you hit create campaign, and then we're going to give it a name. Okay, I'm going to scroll. First, I'm going to move this up so I can see it. So right now we're going to give it a name, and I'm going to do free traffic training. Okay, and I always do auction because I'm bidding. Okay, auction is for bidding, fixed price is for something totally different. And then your budget. What do you want to spend per day? I'm going to do $15 per day. And then you don't need to worry about this, guys, when it starts, you know, all that stuff. Don't worry about that. Just let it run as soon as it gets approved. You know, like with CPA offers, like for example, there's different times of the day that people buy CPA, and that's where this would come in handy. But right now, we just want to get traffic. We're not looking to target times of the day. Okay, CPA is awesome, guys. It's really awesome, and you can make a lot of money. And that's where a lot of this comes from. You know, when to start, when to stop. But we're not going to do that right now. I'm not going to go over that. So we're going to hit create. We don't need to hit create campaign. We've already done our campaign. So our campaign is really easy. We give it a name, we give it a budget, and we say run right away. And then what we do is we hit upload. Okay, so now we have a campaign. Now we got to upload it to get it to start creating our ad. So we hit upload. Okay, done. One campaign out of one campaign. Close. And then we go over here where it says ads. You guys see that right there? It says ads. So now we're going to go create an ad inside of our campaign. So we click on ads. And then I'm going to search for it over here on the far right, because remember I called it free training something. Oh, hang on. Before I search for it, now I got to create the ad. So watch. I got to create the ad. And then it shows up right here. So that's basically what we're doing, guys. We got to create the ad. We have the campaign, now we got to create the ad. So that's what you're looking at right here. All I did, I just want to go back. All I did is I clicked on ads, and then I clicked on create ad. Okay, and it's right here. Boom, free traffic training. Click OK. Okay, now I'm going to move this up so you guys can see what we're doing here. So this is where the good stuff comes in. This is where a lot of the value that you guys are going to get. So we're going to give it a name. I'm just going to give it the same name, free traffic training, and then I'll do this, internet traffic formula. Okay, and then objective. What's the objective? What do we want to do? Do we want to get clicks to website, website conversions? Basically, I'm a big fan of page post engagement, but I'm also a bigger fan of clicks to website. Okay, basically, guys, you have your website, right? Okay, no, not your website. You have your ad. Okay, you have your ad right here. Here's your ad, right? When someone clicks on this ad, they actually go to your capture page. Your capture page. That is what clicks to website is. Very important, guys, that you get that down. Clicks to website is your capture page. Now, a page post engagement, okay, that's a picture. That's a picture on Facebook. So, for example, here's your picture. People click on your picture. They don't leave Facebook. They don't leave. They just click on it, and they get to look at your picture. Now, your picture will have a description. Okay, it'll have a description, and maybe people can click on your link in the description. So that's an extra step. Page post engagement is an extra step. Clicks to website is just boom. It's easy. So basically, this might get a little complicated, guys, so bear with me here. It's not going to be hard. Now, we're doing a newsfeed ad, so leave it how it is, page link to newsfeed, okay? And there might already be a post in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick what fan page. Like, I have a bunch of fan pages. I got dog fan pages. I got Forex fan pages. So I'm going to click my fan page, Scott Rayleigh. And then instead of using an old post, I'm going to do a new post. Okay, so Facebook is saying, hey, you know, let's do this post. Well, I don't want this post over here. I want to do a new post. So I'm going to hit create new unpublished post. Okay, so this is what pops up when you do that, guys. So go ahead and click on link. We're going to be doing a link. Okay, you see that right there? Link. So what's important, okay, is we got to get our link now. We got to put our link in there, guys, right? And we put in our URL right here. We put in our URL. So now what we need is we need some text. Okay, what's our text? What are we going to use? So I already know what type of headline we're going to use. I'm going to show you what type of headline we're going to use. So this is the headline we're going to use right here. Free video reveals new 2014. So that's the headline. So you guys see that right there? I just put it in the headline right here. Free video reveals. I'm going to do some text, a little bit of text. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'm going to use this text right here. Okay, text, online. Okay, this is your chance. Okay, limited time training. Okay, cool. And then we want to give it a display link. So we'll do HTTPS, and then we'll do internet We'll do internet traffic. So this link right here, guys, this is a little tip. This is the display link, display. It's not actually the link. The link that we're using is the one that we already did. So basically, this is the link that basically makes it look real. The ad is going to look real. Okay, so internet traffic, and then we'll do tips.com. Internettraffictips.com. You guys see it right there? Very simple. And then the description, I don't know if we're going to do a description, but that's fine. Okay, and then we're on to an image. So we're going to upload our own image. We're not going to use the image. So we're hit upload image, and then I'm going to show you what image I'm going to use. Okay. So what's the description? I'll probably put a little description there. I don't know what I'm going to put. Let me just see. Okay. I'll just use this right here. Okay. Complimentary free training. I'll just do that, guys. Complimentary free training. And then you'll see how it looks once I'm done. Okay. And then, our next step is to get an image. Okay, that's our next step right here. So I'm going to use this image over here. Okay, this image right here. You guys see this image? Either this image or this image. Which image do you guys like? This one or this one? Because you want to be congruent, guys. Anytime, like for example, if you guys know what congruent means. Okay, congruent. I hope I'm spelling it right, congruent. Basically, if you're marketing to dog lovers, okay, Facebook internet traffic, that's not congruent. Okay, if you're a dog lover, okay, you want to see a picture of a dog, okay, a pic of a dog, okay. You don't want to see traffic training, so it'll confuse the person. So I'm thinking of using this image right here, you guys, this image right here. So I'm going to hit save image, save image. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and then I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to crop it. Okay, so I'm going to get the black border out of there and stuff like that, guys. I'm going to crop this image. You guys know what cropping means? Okay, cropping. Basically, you're editing the edges around the picture itself. So I'm going to crop that, and then I'm going to resize it, you guys. You want to resize it to a certain number, okay? The number that you want to resize it to is 600 by 315. 600 by 315. Okay, 600 by 315, and hit OK. So, and then I'm going to give it a border. Okay, I'm going to give it a border. Okay, really important to give it a border. I'm going to do bright green. Okay, and I'm going to see what it looks like. Okay, this is what it's going to look like, guys. Bright green border. I'm actually going to make the border a little bit smaller. I'll do like 8. And then I'll make sure I got the right dimensions, and then I'll hit save. So I just saved it, guys. This is my image I'm going to use. I'm going to go back over here to Facebook, and I'm going to hit select image, and I'm going to upload it right here. This is my image I'm going to use. So I just basically showed you guys exactly what you need to be doing. Oh, for example, I didn't actually choose a button. Remember that button I showed you guys on my Facebook? Remember this button right here? It says learn more. Okay, you guys see that, learn more? That's what this is right here. It says button. Okay, you got a bunch of options. You got download, learn more. So I'll do learn more. Okay, that seems to work best. And then don't let this throw you off right here, guys. You can do publish this post on your page or publish this post as an ad. So for example, like, let's say that you have a fan page, right? If you do the top one and you want to do it as an ad, okay, if you want to do it as an ad, your fan page actually won't show up. It won't show up on your fan page. It'll just run as an ad. Okay, you guys see what I mean? Like, it won't show up on your fan page. Like, it won't show up anywhere here. It'll just be an ad. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to do as an ad. And then you hit create post. Create post. And then it's going to show up. It's going to show up over here on the right-hand side. Look at that, guys. Look at how sexy that looks. Look at how sexy that is, guys. That is sexy. Damn, that's sexy. So basically, all people have to do is click on this image, and then they will go to my website. That's all they got to do. Boom. So this is where a lot of the real ninja stuff comes in, guys, that I'm going to show you guys how to do. Basically, I want to only focus on people that are on newsfeed and desktop only. Well, I'll do desktop and mobile. Okay, I'll do desktop and mobile. And then I'll do only iOS devices. And then either iPhone or iPad that only are on Wi-Fi. Okay, this is really sneaky stuff, guys. Really sneaky stuff. So iPhone, iPad, and on Wi-Fi. Only iOS. And you guys might know why I did that, but hey, that's if you know why, then you're awesome. But you probably won't know why. So and then newsfeed ad, perfect, perfect. So everything is looking good, guys. Everything is looking great. So now we need to do our audience. You guys see where it says audience? That's where we need to go, and we need to play with our audience. We need to pick a target. Who are we going to target? Who's our audience? Huh? Who are we targeting, guys? Are we targeting work from home? Are we targeting stay-at-home moms? Are we targeting MCA, Wake Up Now? I mean, who are we targeting? So that's really important, guys. And you can also do a custom audience. For example, like let's say you wanted to do a custom audience, okay? You can go to fan pages like Frank Kern or fan pages like Jonathan Budd, and you can target them. Okay, so that's what you can do. Okay, so first we got to pick countries. I'm going to do United States. Okay, United Kingdom. United Kingdom. I'm going to do Australia. I'm going to do South Africa. Okay, and a lot of you are going to say, well, wait a minute, Scott, these aren't all English speaking. Well, that's fine, because I can go down here to languages and I can do English, all. English US, English UK. I can do that, guys, so that's fine. And then I want to do my age. I usually do age 25 to 55. That's definitely a ninja right there, guys. 25 to 55. That seems to be a really good audience for me, okay? Let me see what else I can get from this. Basically, New Zealand, Switzerland, Canada. So let me get some more countries here. Canada. What I just did just now is I was looking at a previous ad that I did. New Zealand. Okay. Ireland. We'll do Ireland. Okay, cool. So I got enough countries, guys. Now I need to go do my interests. Okay, you guys see this right here? It says interests. That's where we're going to be choosing who we're going to target. So let's do Wake Up Now. Let's see if Wake Up Now is in here. If Wake Up Now is not in there, don't worry, guys. Let's do internet marketing. Internet marketing conference, online marketing, no, not online marketplace, online marketing. Online marketing, suggestions, no suggestions. Let's do Anthony Robbins. Let's do Frank Kern. Let's see if Frank Kern's in here. Frank Kern. Let's do Jonathan Budd. Jonathan Budd. Let's see who else we can get, guys. Basically, this is your interest. Like, who would love some traffic training? You know what I mean? Who would love traffic training? Basically, that's what you're looking to do. That's what you're looking for. You know, what kind of people? You know, what kind of people? Basically, this is the audience I'm thinking of. You might be thinking of something different. You know what I mean? So let me give you guys a really good tip. So basically, if you want to know who would be good, that's not his fan page. Let me find his fan page. His pages. Okay, here's his fan page. So if you guys want a really good tip on finding relevant people to target, okay, go ahead and click on this like button. And look, all these pages just showed up right here. All these pages just showed up, more pages that you may like. Look at that, guys. So we're going to target this guy, We're going to target this woman, that guy, Robert Kiyosaki, Anthony Robbins. So this is who we're going to target. Network Marketing Pro. Okay, boom. Network Marketing Pro, that's in there now. And then look, I can click like and then find a bunch of people that would be interested. Look, Jim Rohn, Holton Bugs. I'm going to target Holton Bugs, guys. Boom. Holton Bugs. So let me go back. Interests. Let me see if I can find him. Holton Bugs. Official. Holton Bugs official. Boom. I just got Holton Bugs. Let me do Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn. Bang. Jim Rohn. I already got them. I already got them. Susie Orman. Boom. I got Susie Orman, guys. Mike Dooley. Let's get Mike Dooley. Mike Dooley. Okay, he's in there. Robert Kiyosaki. We all know that. We all know that gentleman. He's a rock star. Guy's awesome. And then Anthony Robbins. Okay, so do you guys see what I did? That's a really good tip, huh, guys? That's a good tip. And look at all these different names that popped up, suggestions, okay, that are suggested for me, guys. Jack Canfield, Zig Ziglar, Tony Robbins, Ecker, Brian Tracy, Dale Carnegie, John C. Maxwell, Donald Trump, Think and Grow Rich. You guys see this? This is like my perfect audience. My perfect audience right here. Esther Hicks, motivational speaking. Look at that, guys. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Okay, so a lot of you are like, Scott, dude, these are a lot of good people. So yeah, this is our audience. This is what we're looking for. So I think we got plenty of people, guys, to really test our ad and to see how well it would do. We got over 3 million people, guys. 3 million. Okay, so I think we're ready to rock and roll. Don't worry about categories. Don't worry about any of this stuff, connections, friends or connections. Just, okay, now we're done with the audience. You guys see that? Now we're done with the audience. Okay, we're done. We're done with creating our ad. Now our next step is optimization, our pricing. Now this is where, you know, it really comes in. So what I do is I do CPC. I want to basically pay, okay, for what I'm going to pay for. Okay, I don't want to do CPM. I don't want to do optimize. I want to know what I'm going to pay for. So what I'm going to do is it showing 9 cents, 0.9, okay, to 0.22. That's what it's showing me, you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bid a little higher. I'm going to bid like 18 cents. Okay? I'm going to bid 0.18. That's what I'm going to bid. And then status, active, and then I'm ready to go, guys. It's a newsfeed ad. It's ready. Everything is ready to go. Everything is ready to go. The only thing that it's missing is for me to hit upload. Okay, you guys see up here it says upload changes. You guys see that right there, upload up top? Now all I need to do is hit upload and I'm ready to go. Bang, uploaded. Bang, bang, done. Bang, done. Bang. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, so we're done, guys. We're done. Now, oh, look at this, guys. This was a CPA offer that I was running. You guys see this right here? This is through Evergreen, the CPA network that my mastermind and I are actually using. If you guys want to know more about our mastermind, we actually have our own membership website where all of our training's on here. People have their own login and everything. So it's definitely a great place. If you guys want to learn CPA and you liked what you just learned, you definitely want to get inside our CPA Facebook Academy. Now, that's the only thing I ask from you guys. If you like what you saw and you want to get more information on learning about CPA, learning about Facebook, and mastering traffic, then this is definitely the place to be. I mean, it's going to be one of the best CPA, CPA masterminds ever. One of the best school, academy, I mean, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be one of the best. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'm sure you guys learned a lot. I know this was definitely, this was one of the best probably trainings you've ever seen. So I know that you guys should probably share it. You should probably share it, let people know what's going on, give some value. And that's what I'm all about, guys. I'm all about giving back. I'm all about training, teaching. And if you guys like anything that I showed you and you want to master this kind of stuff, then get a hold of me and I'll see what I can do by getting you inside our CPA Facebook Academy Mastermind. and getting you in our secret Facebook group and really showing you how to master CPA offers, Facebook traffic, and making money while you're at the beach. Because once you have ads that are running for you, you can really make a big money without having to be in front of your computer. And that's what I'm all about. I don't really care for recruiting. I don't really care for wasting time. All I care about is enjoying time with my family, teaching, training, and creating, you know, $10,000 a month earners. I want to create $10,000 a month earners, and I feel that I can do it with CPA offers, and that's why I'm doing that. And so if you guys want to learn that, get a hold of me, contact me on Facebook, let me know you saw this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you inside my mastermind when you get a hold of me. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. Share this video. Bye-bye.